Energy is fire, conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you in.
This is the latest smartphone from IQOO this year. Following the success of the IQOO 12 series, the IQOO Neo 9 is priced slightly lower than the IQOO 12, and it will take some time to enter the international market as the IQOO 12 series has not been released internationally yet. So there's a need to wait for a while. The IQOO Neo 9 comes in 4 variants, with the basic variant having 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, priced at 2300 yuan, approximately $324. The IQOO Neo 9 series also includes a Pro version. The IQOO Neo 9 and 9 Pro differ in chipset and camera specification only, and the prices for other variants can be seen on the screen. Both the IQOO Neo 9 and 9 Pro will be available in 3 different color options: red and white sole with a dual-tone leather textured back panel, nautical blue and fighting black. The phone features a plastic frame housing volume buttons and the power button on the right side, with the left side remaining clean. On the top, there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone with an IR blaster, while the bottom includes a USB Type-C port, a primary microphone, dual stereo speakers, and a dual SIM card slot. The IQOO Neo 9 and Neo 9 Pro are equipped with a 5160 mAh battery supporting 120 watt fast charging, capable of charging from 0 to 100% in just 32 minutes. However, they lack wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities. Both smartphones sport a 6.78-inch AMOLED flat display with a 1.5K resolution, 453 ppi density, 1260 by 2800 display resolution, 1400 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+. The IQOO Q1 dedicated chip enhances the viewing and gaming experience. Additionally, both screens integrate a fingerprint sensor and face recognition unlock capability, with a glowing light around the front camera circle upon unlocking. The IQOO Neo 9 runs Origin OS 4 and Android 14 out of the box. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the Pro model is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300. The IQOO Neo 9's Antutu score is approximately 1.6 million, supporting NFC, OTG, and USB Type-C 2.0. In terms of optics, both the IQOO Neo 9 and Neo 9 Pro are equipped with a 16 megapixel front camera sensor positioned in a centered hole punch slot at the top of the display. Moving to the back, the standard IQOO Neo 9 boasts a dual camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel Sony IMX920 primary sensor with optical image stabilization and an 8 megapixel sensor with an ultra wide sensor. The Neo 9 Pro shares the same primary camera as the base model but is complemented by a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The front camera is limited to recording in 1080p at 30 fps, while the back camera showcases the ability to shoot 4K videos at both 60 and 30 fps. Let me demonstrate the zooming capability, reaching up to 10x with impressive speed and quality. After the video samples, there are photo samples as well. So please check it out. After, you will know that how is the phone for you if you are considering to buy. So please like the video and subscribe to Mr. Laowai-English Tech for more tech content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now. I just wanna I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap.
外面的世界已经上，谢谢。外面的世界很无奈，让你觉得外面的世界很轻松，我会站在。